In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HP monitor to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to connect any HP monitor model to a PlayStation 5. This same process will also work for other consoles and even other devices. So if you have a PlayStation 4, an Xbox console, a PC or laptop, you can also follow along. To do this, for 90% of users, you will be using a standard HDMI cable. So as long as you have a modern HP monitor, it is going to have an HDMI port available. If you have a very old monitor that doesn't have HDMI and only has something like VGA, I'm going to talk about what to do later. But like I said, I believe for most users, this is the port that you will be using. So grab any standard HDMI cable, plug one end into the HP monitor, and the other one goes into the HDMI port on your PlayStation 5. There is no secret to this. Super simple and direct connection. Once you have the connection established, you can power on the HP monitor, make sure that it is receiving power, choose HDMI as the source, and once you power on your PlayStation 5, it will be good to go. Like I said, or briefly mentioned, if you don't have an HDMI port available on your monitor, you will most likely have to grab an adapter. So if you have something like VGA, you need the proper adapter in order to finish making this connection. This will be done with an HDMI to VGA adapter, which then allows you to use it as the bridge to finish the connection between both of these devices. Like I said before, to ensure that it works, power on both the console and the monitor. Ensure that it is connected to an external power source, usually through a power supply, and choose HDMI as the source. After all of this is done, you will see the image from your PlayStation 5 being sent over to the monitor. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.